Today I want to share some ways in which you can earn some extra income. And no, I'm not going to suggest getting into wholesaling or buying properties to do rentals or increasing your referral base, none of that. I'm more interested in leveraging what you're already doing, which is helping buyers buy and sellers sell. And also exploring some additional avenues that don't require too much time or too much money to get started. Let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day, how are you making extra income? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so let's get started. Again, I want to give you some practical advice that doesn't take too much time and too much money to implement. So you're not going to hear me say start a YouTube channel and wait months and months and months with the hope of getting monetized and then work on your channel for months and months and months more at a time to hopefully start making some decent income. That's not going to be a strategy that we're going to deploy today. But what you are going to hear me say is focus on this one primary strategy to generate some extra income, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which businesses pay you for bringing business to them. So you didn't have to create a product, you didn't have to create a service, you are getting compensated in the form of commission for bringing customers to a business. And there's 3 ways to leverage affiliate marketing in your real estate business. The first way is by complementing your sales, by complementing when buyers buy and complementing when sellers sell. So what does that mean? That means that whenever you place a client into a home or out of a home, you leverage the additional revenue streams that are available to you. Many companies revolving a real estate transaction are more than happy to pay you an affiliate commission for the clients that you bring them. Companies that do home warranties, companies that do home security, moving companies, utility companies, you name it. Each one of those companies has a different commission payout, but if you combine several of those companies and leverage them the right way, there's no reason why you can't make at least $250 additionally from each client. Now that type of affiliate marketing complements your sales. The downside to that is that you need to have some sales. You need to help people buy or help people sell. So if you don't have sales, then that's a little bit more challenging. So let's look at a more traditional affiliate marketing strategy that works excellent with real estate agents. Basically, affiliate marketing has to do with influence, and the more that you can influence somebody to take you up on your recommendation of using a certain product or a certain service, the more money you're going to make with affiliate marketing. As an example, an affiliate program that I just brought on and started promoting is that of an online real estate school. So far, it's brought in almost $2,500 for the year, and it continues to increase every single month. Now, regardless if I'm helping people buy or helping people sell, I'm making money on that. So that's more of a traditional affiliate program. And it's not really a deviation from what I do anyway with the type of content that I produce. Even if I wasn't doing this type of content and speaking to you real estate professionals, it's an affiliate program that any real estate agent can benefit from. Because whether you realize it or not, you're a mentor to somebody, and the advice that you give to somebody is likely to be taken to heart by them. So if you suggest to them a CRM, a landing page, an online real estate school, any type of service that a real estate agent needs, chances are that that agent, whether new or old, is going to take you up on that suggestion. Now again, the goal isn't for you to become a professional affiliate marketer. Unless you want to, they make a lot of money, but the goal is for you to make some extra money along the way. Now, I want to give you another example of an affiliate program that I just brought on, and this particular affiliate program has to do with social media. I just signed up to a new social media platform that is taking off. It is a combination of Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook all rolled into one. It's pretty cool. And since this new social media company is being very aggressive with growing their social media platform, they're paying people for engagement and paying for people to go out there and market for them. And that social media platform is called WebTalk. WebTalk is an invite-only social media platform. So I'll link that down below so you can check it out and sign up if you want. Again, it's a combination of Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn all rolled into one. And it's pretty cool. I've been playing around with it for the past 2 weeks now, and it's growing quickly. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Also, don't forget to check out my free courses, link in description. I have a case study that's going to come out very soon in which I show how I'm growing that affiliate program. And what you're going to see is not only how I'm growing the Web Talk affiliate program, but how a very close friend and agent is growing his affiliate program as well. He signed up 4 weeks ago, and as of this morning, he's made $2,000 with spending $0 on ad spend. Another type of affiliate marketing is recruitment. More specifically, recruitment for your brokerage. The company that's really taken that recruitment model by storm is the one back there, EXP. But there are a lot of brokerages out there that do offer an incentive for you to bring agents onto the brokerage. And while no other brokerage is going to give you recurring revenue like EXP will, most likely that brokerage that you invite agents to sign on will give you a signing bonus of a couple $100. All right, so now that we've talked about affiliate marketing, let's talk about something with a little bit more meat on the bone, i.e., bigger margins, and that's creating a product or creating a service. Now, don't be deterred right off the bat because you have to create something. You can either create a product or a service either physically or online. And really what I'm going to push for in this video is for you to create something online because it is so scalable and doesn't require too much time and too much money. Again, we're going to hold on to those principles. You as real estate agents have skill sets that many people want. There's a reason that HGTV is so popular, and there's a reason that so many people show up to the courthouse doorsteps to try to buy a property in auction. So you can create an online course teaching people how to rehab homes, how to invest in real estate, how to do property management, and the list goes on. As an example, I have a very valuable skill set of knowing how to do real estate lead generation online, and I have several courses to prove it. So as a shameless plug, I'm going to invite you to check them out. Well, if you're good with video editing or Photoshop, you can help other real estate agents with their pictures so they have better pictures on the MLS, or you can help real estate agents with their video as more and more people are diving into the platform that just don't have the video editing skills. So you can create a service around helping real estate agents do that. All in all, the online economy is huge and you can really leverage that on your downtime or in a dry season. And who knows, you might find more joy in doing your side gig than real estate. Who knows? Well, now that you know how to make some extra income, it's time to learn how to generate more business. And I'll leave a video right here that's going to help you do that. And if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.